Atlantic Castle.
In the Atlantic. Okay.
Okay. And then the Mira falling in love with the king of the Atlantic Castle. And then the witch get jealous of Mira because he likes the king. So the witch cursed Mira to have legs and she cannot become mermaid anymore. And now Mira live
In the ocean.
in not in the ocean.
No, she has legs now.
She has legs now. So, so
Mira is in Tino or now.
yeah.
Sorry guys, I think Mira is having a like his office pointed her to go hometown and then work from home. Like, yeah. Mira is
Mira is here.
Mira has another place to live in because she has legs. Wow. Okay, that's a good one. That's a good one, Puspita. Okay, Mira. Okay, Nia, let's go. It has to be the short one. Nia. Oh, Frog Prince. And a
Okay,
big one.
Miss.
Okay, go.
Once upon a time, life the king
There lived
there lived the king cursed by a wizard because wizard asking to the mirror, "Hi, the mirror, who's the very handsome in this planet?"
Who's the most handsome in this planet?
Handsome in this planet. And the mirror said, anyone king in this planet very handsome. So wizards get jealous and curse the king to the green frog. Because
That's it.
And wizards said, "Hi, the king. I curse you to the green frog, and you can come back to the human if even the some girl no 100% kiss you, so you come back to the human.
Oh, I see.
If have no the kiss by the woman, you to be green frog forever.
Oh, poor king. So he has to be kissed by a lady or a girl.
Yes, like
And
this.
if he doesn't get the kiss, and he's going to stay forever as a green frog.
Yes.
So
So
would you
very
like to
hard.
kiss? So would you like to kiss any frog out there?
In some story, any.
Oh, in some story. But in real life, would you like to like kiss a frog? Maybe he's a
Of course
prince.
no. Of course no, Miss.
Macy, let's go. Macy. Where is she? Oh, I think Macy is okay. Macy is gone for now. Let's go, Devita. Oh, I think she has problem with the connection. Devita, let's go. Tell us your story, okay?
Okay,
Tell us your story in the canyon.
once upon a time, there were two close friends who were walking in the canyon. They knew, they knew that anything dangerous can happen anytime in the canyon. So they promised each other that would always be together in any danger.
Oh.
Suddenly, they saw a sewing machine
A what?
in the canyon. Eh, itu mesin jahit kan yang propertinya?
Ah, okay.
Iya bukan Miss. Yang kayak di filmnya.
Will Cannon. I don't know if
Iya.
that's Will Cannon or something. And
And
then
then he meet pengemis, pengemis apa ya Miss?
Promise?
Pengemis.
I can't hear you clearly.
Pengemis Miss. Pengemis.
Can you chat?
Miss.
Yes.
Pengemis.
Ah, beggar.
Oh.
Beggar.
They meet there. And he came near the one who was semakin mendekat is near kan,
Getting closer.
getting closer, and remember about the promise his friend no gone this friend, and true friend is need a friend in true friend is need in the canyon and
And what?
help the friend.
You're gonna sound
This
muffled, you know. You know, like your audio sound muffled, so I barely can understand. I understand some, but some words are like muffled, being like this, like in a room closed like that. I think the connection.
Hello, Miss, can hear.
Yeah, it's muffled.
I don't know this
Yeah,
connection.
maybe is it connection, audio, it can be rain or weather, that because I barely can understand the word you know how like robot talk and it's
Yes,
muffled, yeah, like that. So I was like, sorry. I'm so sorry, but yeah, that's what I hear.
I'm sorry, Miss.
That's okay, but it's a good story actually. It's just because it muffled a lot, so I only can hear some of your story, but it should be interesting. Thank you, Devita.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, all right. You guys are good at telling story. Oh, I'm sorry, Hasty. I didn't get to like. I saw you. I saw Misty and then now Hasty. All right, but don't worry. We have more to go tonight. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, only 4. We need to form 2 groups then to make the story. Because like I said, we are going to do the role play of Romeo and Juliet. Not this one. This is not Romeo and Juliet. Ta-da! Hey, not you. You, go back. Where is my... I downloaded already. Wait, where is this? There you go. Okay, I'm gonna open. So, Misita, how do we divide into group?
Like playing the role?
Play the what?
The role?
Oh, just roll. Just so we create the wheel? Or we just point who's going to be with who to do the role play?
I think they can choose.
Oh, you can choose. Okay, so today we are, maybe we can just go to the role play, right? Yeah, we don't need this one. If we have time, we will go back to the first slides, but we go with the role play first. So first, actually, because I got the game, so I forgot about this one. I mean, not I forgot, but I skipped this because I want to play that game so badly, the role play story. So I skipped. Now we don't need to learn about William Shakespeare's life. So we're gonna create a script based on a famous storylines. And the famous storylines for today is Romeo and Juliet. After we read the synopsis, we're going to bring the script alive. That means we're going to play as a Romeo and as a Juliet. But of course, we need to find out about the story. Miss, I don't know about the story. Okay, Romeo and Juliet. Here is how the story goes. The original title for this Romeo and Juliet, because it's actually like a storybook or a play drama in like zaman dulu. The original title is The Tragedy of Romeo and Juliet. But because the tragedy of Romeo and Juliet is too long, so people often shortened to Romeo and Juliet only. And this is a tragedy story written by William Shakespeare early in his career about the romance between two Italian youths from feuding families. So this is like one of the most popular plays or drama that has been played during his lifetime. Okay? Hello? Okay, go. Here's the character. Number one, we have the Romeo, of course. He's a Montag boy. It's like in Italy, I don't know. Montag boy. And he fell in love with Juliet at the first sight. So he saw Juliet in a party and was like, oh, she's my soulmate. Really? And then we have Juliet. Juliet is a Capulet girl. So the Capulet is like the family. So we have Montag family, we have Capulet family. So the Capulet's family is like Montag's enemy. So they are like their enemy, big enemy. Then we have Tybalt. Tybalt is Juliet's cousin. And he's super annoying. He's like the annoying guy ever in this play. He challenged Romeo to fight later after the party, like, hey, Romeo, you're Montag, fight me, like that. And the one stays alive is the winner. Yeah, he didn't die at all. He's the only one maybe who stays alive. No, the other one also stay alive. And we have Mercutio. Tio. Just call him Tio. So he is Romeo's best friend, like bestie forever. Because Romeo doesn't want to accept the challenge when Tybalt says, yo, Romeo, fight me. Romeo's like, no, I'm not going to fight with you. This Tio, he was like, I will fight with you, behalf of Romeo. I will fight because he's my friend. But he says that without telling the Romeo, of course, and he got killed. The movie just started and he died already. Kayaknya dia dibayar 50.000 deh, Anli. Because he died so early. Okay. Next one, we have a friar. This is the most, plot twist. He is the one who caused the plot twist. It called friar is like a member of religious orders of men, usually in Catholic. In Catholic, there is like a frater, the one who's like, it's not a pastor yet, but they're learning to become a pastor. It's called friar. And then, of course, we have the Lord of Capulet, which is Juliet's father. And he hates all the Montags. Okay, semua Montag adalah musuhku. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 characters in the beginning. And we have Friar Lawrence. Oh, the friar, like the frater, he is the one who gives Juliet the poison. You will know later. And then we have Conti Paris, Juliet's fiance. Juliet, kamu tuh udah punya tunangan. Like, oh my God, this Juliet. He is a handsome but somehow or somewhat self-absorbed. Kayak overpaid nggak sih? Kayak egois gitu something. And is a very wealthy man. Kaya raya sepanjang masa. He is Juliet's suitor or we can call it fiance, tunangan. We have Lady Capulet, Juliet's mother. Oh, Juliet. Mechanicals, no, we don't need that. Okay, so here's the synopsis. You need to know the synopsis. So you don't have to use all the characters later because only how many of us? 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, we have like 5, but who is that? Maisty has a problem with her connection, maybe. Okay, so let's read the synopsis. Nia, you may read how it starts.
Miss, sorry, the screen can can't open in my phone.
Oh, really? In your phone, it can be open
Mm-mm.
until now?
Yes.
Oh, what happened? Okay, Hesty, can you see the screen?
The same is not moving.
Oh, okay.
So you need to stop it first and then after that coming back again.
Yes. Okay. So that means you guys didn't see the character that I shared?
I didn't.
Oh,
Mm-mm.
all right. Let's see. No, because I thought you guys could see that. Let's go. Okay, I'm going to tell me if you see any screen. Tadam. Is there any screen or not yet?
Already, Miss.
Oh, you saw it?
Yes.
Wait, then I'm gonna go with the character. Are you seeing characters?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm gonna go again. Okay, we don't need to play all the characters. We just need to go with the important one. Let's see from the synopsis. Who are the important one? Okay. So Juliet and Romeo, and then in Juliet's house, a friar. How to pronounce that? I need to make sure. The frater in English is a friar. Yes, we call it, it pronounced friar atau frater, pastor muda. Sih kalau Katolik tuh pastor muda. Okay, and then so we have friar, important. Tybalt, the cousin, important. Theo, Mercutio, he's also important. And then Count Paris, bisa. Paling penting adalah Romeo and Juliet. Okay, we just need to choose the important characters. Okay, Nia, you may read the how it starts.
Okay. May I read the story, Miss?
Yeah, how it starts.
Romeo is a Montag and Juliet a Capulet. Their families are enmeshed in a feud. But the moment they meet when Romeo and his friends attend a party at Juliet's house in disguise.
In disguise?
The two fall in love and quickly decide that they want to be married. A friar secretly marries them, hoping to end the feud. Romeo and his companions almost immediately encounter Juliet's cousin Tybalt, who challenge Romeo. When Romeo refused to fight, Romeo's friend Mercutio accepts the challenge and is killed. Romeo then kills Tybalt and is banished. He spends that night with Juliet. Uh,
Then,
and then the plan, ya, Miss.
oh no. Oh, you
Oh.
didn't read the last one, and then leaves for Mantua. Okay, thank you, Nia. I'm gonna ask the other one.
Yes, Miss.
Hesti. Hesti, can you read the plan?
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, can you read the plan?
Okay. Juliet's father forced her into a marriage with Count Paris. To avoid this marriage, Juliet takes a potion
Potion.
Juliet takes a potion given her by the fire that makes her afraid that the fire will send Romeo word to be at her family tomb when she awakes.
Okay, thank you. Next one, we have Puspita, are you still there? Puspita, can you read the how it ends? Okay, go. Puspita.
What? Devita? There is Devita too.
Puspita. Chelsea.
I think Puspita is going somewhere.
Oh, she's somewhere, not in front of her laptop. Okay, then we have, oh, there is no Misty. Misty still have a
No,
problem.
Misty is out because it's
Okay,
blackout.
Devita.
Yes, Miss. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, you can read the how it ends.
The how it ends, the plan goes awry, and Romeo learns instead that she is dead. In the tomb, Romeo kills himself. Juliet Wax sees his body. Juliet Wax sees his body and commits suicide. Their deaths appear finally to end the feud.
Okay. We are going to talk about the synopsis before we do the role play. So first, okay, we're gonna pronounce this. I think it's like montage, kind of montage or montag, something like that, because it's not in English. Montage. Okay. First, we are going to pronounce the word precisely. Montage. See? It is not even in English. It's a mask, no? Huh? What? English read it as Montague. No, so it's montage, kind of like that. Okay, so we skip this one and we need to learn how to pronounce this correctly. Enmeshed. It called enmeshed. Enmeshed. Okay, this is pronounced enmeshed. Artinya kayak menangkap dalam jaring. Okay. To catch or to involve in or as if in a net or snare. Kayak yang terkungkung dalam satu lingkungan aja. That's enmeshed. In a feud. This we pronounce it as feud. Feud. So this is feud. Feud itu perseteruan. So enmeshed in a feud, kayak mereka tuh hidup dalam pertikaian. Okay? Enmeshed in a feud. This is disguise. So we have enmeshed, we have feud, now we have disguise. Nah, begitu kalau apa namanya William Shakespeare bahasanya agak lumayan berat, guys. But it's okay, we can learn. So this is disguise. 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 Okay, the disguise. It's not disguise ya, it's G-nya dibaca sebagai K. Attend a party in disguise, hasilnya. Disguise is like actually penyamaran. It's called menyembunyikan atau penyamaran. Oh, Romeo and his friends attend a party at Julius' house in disguise. Oh, ini apa namanya? Dia datangnya itu nggak diundang because it's an enemy, right? Like he's a montage, sedangkan Juliet ada Capulet, tapi ada party, jadi dia pura-pura jadi orang lain. Mereka menyamar. So disguise is like penyamaran. Friar. Friar is a young pastor. Kan kalau pastor itu harus yang sudah matang, and this is young pastor. So this is feud, companions, encounter. All right. Encounter itu kayak menghadapi kayak sini, face me, like that. Encounter. What else ya? Force her to get potion means racun. Appear dead, pura-pura mati jenah. Appear dead, terlihat sudah mati. So like itu sebenarnya cuma pura-pura mati. And the plane goes, okay, how do we pronounce this? Airy? Awry. Oh, awry. The plan goes awry. We call awry. Awry means kacau. Itu plot twistnya. Jadi plannya dia cuma pura-pura mati, tapi ternyata jadi kacau. So, awry means kacau. And this is the tomb. Tomb is like makam. Tomb artinya makam atau kuburan. Kan ceritanya dia meninggal itu dikubur. And then commits melakukan. So after the death, so their death appear finally to end the feud. Setelah mereka berdua meninggal, hilang tuh pertikaian. Oh iya juga sih, mana ya? Okay, alright, I'm gonna say it again, okay? You can pronounce it loudly, but you also can go silently. First, this is enmeshed, okay? This is enmeshed. This is feud. This is disguise. It's friar.
Encounter.
Potion. Appear. Awry. Tomb. And comments. Okay? Let's read the... Miss Ita, do you want to translate it?
No,
Do we not? We don't need to translate this?
I think they already understand. Do you?
Okay, good. So because we got it, yeah. So at first, this one, yeah. So the story is gonna be like this one. Maybe we should make it part, right? Divide it into part. The important one. Romeo and his friend attend the party in disguise. Dia pergi ke pesta tapi dengan menyamar, because they are montage, nggak boleh. Capulet itu like nggak bisa. And then we go to the two fall in love. Ini yang scene 2. Ih, langsung nikah cenah, baru ketemu bener-bener kalian ya. Nah, they want to get married, and then the friar secretly marries them. Itu fraternya langsung nikahin lagi, bener-bener nih. But in hoping to end the feud, kayak ini kalau montage and Capulet ku nikahin, hilang pertikaian. Itu baik, tujuannya baik. Okay. And we also have this one. Juliet's cousin Tybalt challenges Romeo. Ini dia nih. Yang si siapa tuh namanya? Mercutio mati. So we have scene number 3. This is number 1. This is number 2. This is number 3. Meninggal si Mercutio. Terus number 4, Romeo balas dendam. He killed Tybalt and disappear. Abis dia bunuh si Tybalt, dia lari. Ya kabur bener-bener Romeo ya. This is number 4. Dia bapaknya mau nikahin kan. Because Romeo sudah melarikan diri, banished, sudah melarikan diri. So the father wants to marry her with the Count Paris, but he takes a potion. Dia pura-pura minum racun, tapi racunnya itu hanya bertahan untuk beberapa hari aja. This is number 5. So Juliet take the potion. And then the plan goes awry. Romeo salah paham. Dia kira Juliet sudah mati. So he kills himself. Juliet, apa artinya hidupku tanpamu? Yaudah aku bunuh diri aja. This is number 6. Dia lihat, oh Julietku sudah mati. Dia langsung bundir cenah. And the last one, Juliet bangun kan 2 hari kemudian. Ya, kok Romeo ku mati? Yaudah mati ya. Bener dah. Jadinya 2 kali mati Juliet. Seriously? So this is number 7. Jadi ceritanya tuh in the movie, and they met at the party, terus like, oh, Romeo, Juliet, udah fall in love. Yaudah kita nikah yuk besok paginya. Besok paginya langsung nikah. And then after that, Tybalt ketahuan, oh, kalian yang menyamar. You guys who came to my party. And then he challenged, Romeo, fight me. But Romeo said, gak mau. Datang Theo. Theo said, I will fight for Romeo. Mati. Okay, bye. And then Romeo said, they go to Romeo and said, Romeo, Theo is died. Hah? Kok bisa? Dibunuh Tybalt. And he killed Tybalt. Okay, bye. Dah, mati 2. And then Romeo disappeared. Dia kabur. And then Juliet's father said, okay, sebelum Juliet lari dengan Romeo, kawinin dia. Okay, I'm gonna get her married with the Count Paris. Terus Juliet goes to the friar. Dia pergi ke frater and tadi say, Father, I cannot live without Romeo. Ya udah, minum aja poison ini. Tapi 2 hari kamu bangun kok. Nanti pura-pura like. So ya, the friar told her to drink the poison, tapi cuma berapa jam loh. It's not even day. Berapa jam doang. And then, some people go, Romeo, Juliet udah mati. Like, huh, what? Romeo came to the tomb. Oh, Julietku. Ya udah, if you die, I also die. Mati. After few hours, bangun dah tuh Juliet kan. Akhirnya, loh, Romeo. Oh, ya udah kalau kamu mati, aku juga mati. Jadi gimana sih, like, yeah, that's the crazy story about that. But their, because of their death, the feud ends. Pertikaiannya hilang setelah Capulet's boy died, Capulet's girl died, Montague girl died. Jadi meninggal, setelah mereka meninggal, the feud ends. Pertikaiannya berakhir. And they are the symbol. Kenapa mereka symbol of first love? Because ketemu malam, pagi langsung nikah. Nggak ada tunggu besok-besok. Langsung. Like Romeo was like, satsut. Okay? Now you guys, yeah. We have 7 scenes. Okay. Nia, you may choose who do you want to be with. Who wants to be your partner? Who do you want to be your partner?
Miss Devita.
Okay, Nia and Devita, you can be Romeo, you can be who's that? Theo, just call him Theo. Namanya Romeo, Theo, Juliet, Frater, terus Tybalt, 5 aja. Next is we have Hesty. Hello, Hesty. Can you hear us?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Hesty will be with. Oh, I think Puspita have a connection problem because he's in my hometown. My hometown, kalau udah malam, hujan, udah goodbye, bye-bye. So, Hesty and who? Miss Dita.
Boleh.
Okay, Hesty and Miss Dita. You can discuss your character. Aku aja yang jadi Romeo ya. Okay. No. I want to be Romeo. Okay, after you can discuss and then we can start. Tulisan ya. Scene number 1, Romeo and Juliet met. Ta-da! In a party. And then fall in love. Oh, Romeo. Oh, should I tell you the phrases? We have the phrases. Oh, you can screenshot this one so you know we have seen 7 scenes, okay? You can screenshot this one. Maybe we can put it in a group, Miss Dita.
Okay.
Okay, because I need to delete it for the lines that you
Wait
have
a moment,
to...
wait a moment. I need to snip tools.
All right. Because Miss Dita has to... Oh, Miss Dita. I mean, you guys have to say the cheesy lines. Karena in Romeo and Juliet ada banyak cheesy lines. Like, Romeo, oh Romeo. Like that.
Then,
Okay. Let's go with the phrases or the cheesy lines. This one. First one. So you can say, okay, who says that?
me.
Yeah. Ada a line spoken by Juliet asking why Romeo. Berarti ini di scene berapa ya? Scene 1. Scene 1 ini kayaknya. Pas mereka ketemu fall in love.
Spoken by.
Yang, why Romeo has the last name of my family's enemy? Berarti satu ya. Parting is such a sweet sorrow. My only love sprang from my only. Ini bisa scene 1 juga ya. Sebelum mereka nikah. Ya ampun, lebay banget scene-nya. Sorry. And then, ini after they, ya ini pas when they fall in love. Juliet is the sun. Tolong. Parting is such a sweet sorrow. Ini the night after they met, sebelum mereka nikah. Oke ya. Scene 1, and scene 1. Okay, you take a note already? Scene 1, scene 2. Because I'm going to move to the next phrases. Ada lagi. Where is the next one? So 1, 1, 2, 2. Let's go to the next one. This one. Only 6 I prepared. Yes. My bounty is a boundless... love is infinite. Ini kayaknya scene akhir deh. Ya kan? A line that expresses the idea that love is infinite. Ini 7 aja kali ya. Penutupan. Right? It's like the conclusion. The drugs are quick. Those with a kiss I die. A line spoken by Romeo before he took his life. Tadi bunuh diri di 6 ya. 6. Romeo, here's a drink. I drink to thee. Ini 5 kalau nggak salah ya. Yang dia pura-pura mati 5 or 4? 5 or 4, Miss Ita?
Pura-pura mati. Wait. 5.
Okay, 5 benar. And then after dia pura-pura mati, 6 Romeo yang tung tung. And then berarti yang 7 itu 2 ini. My bounty is as boundless as the sea. My love is as deep. Itu 7 conclusionnya. Terus ini, for never was a story of more woe. Woe, how do I pronounce that? Okay, I'm gonna find it first because this is so cheesy. Okay, we don't use this. Ya begitulah kalau William Shakespeare. Woe, how do we pronounce? Oh, kesedihan, duka.
Wow.
Woe. Okay, woe.
Wow.
Just woe. For never was a story of more woe than this of Juliet and her Romeo. Woe itu kayak menyedihkan, duka. Okay, are you guys ready to create your own scene? Tanya? All right. You may go with your the most creative script ever. Son, you choose your own script. You already have a partner. You just need to make your own script. Nah, I will give you this and this. I will send it in the group. The line. Okay. 1, 1, 2, 2, and then 7, 7. I will take a note to this. 7, 7, 5, 6. This is scene 7, scene 5, scene 6, and scene 7. So you will remember where to say all these words. Ta-da! All right. There, scene 7. Okay, okay, okay. Who's gonna go first? Anyone's ready with the script? Here's the synopsis again. Okay, let us know when you're... Allah. Sorry. WhatsApp always like that, like give you the wrong. There you go. Okay. 1, 1, 2, 2, 7, 5, 6, 7. Yes.
Yep.
Who will go first?
Nia, maybe are you ready?
Maybe
Nia,
Miss Nita can first.
me? Hesti, are you ready, Hesti?
Let's go.
Ready, Miss?
Like
It's okay, just try. Like Miss Evie will guide us with the synopsis, right? Like
Oh, okay. I will be the narrator.
yeah, you will be the narrator. I mean,
Okay, I will be the narrator.
Yeah.
Okay, who will go first then? I'm gonna be
Hesti. Okay.
all right.
So I think like Hesti could be Juliet
Please turn on your camera so everyone can see your act.
and me is Romeo.
Okay, you're the Romeo, and then Hesti is the Juliet.
Mhm.
Okay. Where's Hesti?
Okay, Miss.
All right. Hesti is ready. Romeo and Juliet. Romeo is a montage and Juliet is a couplet. A party is in Juliet's house right now. And Romeo and the friends get there in disguise. Hey, Romeo, go walk.
No way.
No, you're in the party, like, sneaking around.
Okay, let's go come in. We have to find something fun inside. Let's go.
When Romeo is looking for food, he spotted Juliet by the aquarium. Juliet was looking for fish. At fish.
Do you like this dim sum? Yes, I do. Yeah, this is so yummy, right? I know. Beautiful princess there. Is that the princess? Oh,
Juliet was looking at the fish.
Juliet.
Juliet, where are you? You're not being eaten by the fish, are you?
Where is my Juliet?
Juliet gone? Juliet. Hesti.
Sorry, Miss.
Yep. Juliet.
And after they met in the aquarium, when like, so actually the scene was like, this is Juliet was looking at the fish, and then this is Romeo, and he spotted, there's a girl, there's a beautiful girl behind the fish. So he went around and they met and they talk. That's how this movie goes. Okay, let's go. You can talk.
Hello.
Hello, Romeo.
Why
You don't know his name yet. You need to ask.
You look so pretty. Hello? What's your name? Can I know your name?
My name is Juliet.
Oh, Juliet, what is your family's name? Where are you from? Are you from Montague or are you from Capulet?
I'm from Capulet.
Oh, Capulet. I'm from Montague. Sorry.
After Juliet found out that Romeo is a Capulet, this is what she says. Okay, Juliet, speak about this one. A line spoken by Juliet asking why Romeo has the last name of her family's enemy. Go, Juliet.
Wait, miss.
Okay. This is your line.
Family enemy was the minister.
So after you found out that Romeo is a Montague, then you finally realize that itu musuh keluargamu, you know, family's enemy. Because Montague and Capulet, they are like, gak bisa ketemu.
Okay.
The handsome guy is Montague. Okay. This is the line that you have to, ini yang harus diucapkan oleh Juliet. In the drama, Juliet says this.
Romeo, wherefore art thou, Romeo?
Though.
Romeo.
And then this is what the line spoken by Romeo after he sees Juliet's beauty.
But soft, what light through yonder window breaks? It is the east, and Juliet is the sun.
Romeo lebay banget. And then after they talk, kan udah tahu that Romeo is a Montague. Terus this is what Juliet says, expressing the idea that she must love an enemy. Dia sudah mulai mencintai si Romeo. Okay, go.
Oh my God.
My only love.
My only love from my only head.
Kasihan. Udah yang paling dia cinta, yang paling dibenci keluarga. Okay. Next one, they decided to get married. So they go to the friar and get married. Tang, 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 tang. Okay, Romeo and Juliet are married. So, should we go to like where they kill themselves? Or we need to kill the Mercutio first?
No. We just go to the
Okay. After they get married, of course, the father got angry. So the father said, you need to marry Count Paris. So Juliet went to the friar and get the potion. And she is going to pretend to be dead. Okay, Juliet, pretend as you are drinking the potion. But, oh, ini, this one. Kan harus dipisahin, mau disuruh nikah sama ini. Before you take the potion, minum racunnya, you are saying this line.
Parting is such a sweet sorrow.
Yes, and then drink the poison. Okay, Juliet mati. Hahaha, bye-bye Juliet. And
Bye-bye.
then someone went to the Romeo and said, Romeo, Juliet is dead. I saw the tomb. She's going to get buried in the tomb. So Romeo went to the tomb, and this is what he says. Before he took his own life. Oh, at first he found the potion next to the what is that? Next to the
Juliet.
next to Juliet.
Oh, what kind of bottle is that? What happened to you? Wake up, Juliet, wake up. Oh, thy drugs are quick. Thus, with a kiss, I die.
Dia minum, sisa racunnya diminum.
Oh, okay. I didn't watch the movie. Okay.
I did. And then you died. And then, few hours later, Juliet bangun dong. And Juliet saw Romeo is dead. Terus di tangannya Romeo itu sebenarnya ada gun. So before, bukan deh, lupa aku. Yang bunuh diri pakai gun Romeo deh. Ini Juliet yang minum racun kedua kalinya. Okay. After Juliet sees Romeo died, and then dia minum racun benerannya. Okay, go.
Romeo. Here's drink. I drink to thee.
I drink to thee.
I drink to thee.
Aku minum ini untukmu. Like that. Mati deh. Okay, so I'm going to say that my bounty is as boundless as the sea. My love as deep, the more I give to thee. The more I have, for both are infinite. For never was a story of more woe than this Juliet and her Romeo. Mati semua, bye-bye. Astaga, begitu doang mati coba.
Happy ending.
Yeah. Okay, next is Nia and Devita.
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, please turn on your camera. Okay, I will be the narrator. All right. Okay. The story of Romeo and Juliet. Who's the Romeo?
Devita, Miss.
Okay, Devita. Romeo and his friends went to Juliet's party at the Capulet. They're looking for food. Free food, everyone. Let's go.
Look at. This is a beautiful prince. Who is he? Who is he?
Are you Romeo or Juliet? Wait. Who's the Romeo?
Romeo-nya datang kan, Miss? Melihat itu.
Ceritanya Romeo makan-makan dulu kan? Sama temen-temennya. Okay, say it again. It's okay. Okay?
Okay.
Romeo and his friend came to the party in Juliet's house. They look for food.
The showman is good. Hey, look at. Who is she, beautiful prince?
Juliet was watching the fish on the aquarium, on a big aquarium.
Hi, where is he? Who is there?
And Romeo
Hello.
came to the Juliet and they talk.
Hello, beautiful princess. What's your name?
Hi, my name is Juliet. Where do you from?
I'm from East Montag.
What's your
And
name?
my name is Romeo. What do you come from?
I'm from Capulet.
The two quickly fall in love after they met. But after Juliet find out that Romeo is a Capulet, and then this is what he says.
Ya, aku ya, Miss.
Yes, Juliet. Sorry.
Sorry, okay. Wait. Romeo. Wherefore are thou, Romeo?
And Romeo, after he sees the beauty of Juliet, this is what he says.
But so, what light through yonder window breaks? It is the east, and Juliet is the sun.
And then Juliet replied that, oh, the one that she loved must be the enemy.
My only love sprung from my only hate. Parting.
Yes. But because they love each other already, so they get married the next day. The friar married them in hoping to end the feud. After the father find out, oh no, I'm gonna get you married into Count Paris. So the father forced her to marry. And this is what Juliet says after the father asked her to marry Paris.
Parting is such sweet sorrow.
Sorry, Juliet. And then Juliet went to the friar, and the friar said, okay, Juliet, just pretend to be dead. Because after you drink this potion, and then I will tell Romeo that you are dead, but only for a few hours. Then Juliet take the poison. Before she take the potion, this is what she says.
Romeo, here's drink, I drink to thee.
That. After Juliet is dead, they go to Romeo and said, Romeo, Juliet is dead. I saw her in the tomb. No, my Juliet. Romeo came to the tomb and sees Juliet is dead, sleeping on the bed. So, this is what he says.
The drugs are quick, thus with a kiss I die.
I die.
I die.
And then he took his own life.
Diperagain, Miss.
Yes. After you say this line, you mati. You kill yourself.
The drugs are quick, thus with a kiss I die.
Yeah. And then, few hours later, Juliet wake up. But Romeo is dead. So Juliet drink the other potion that is real. Okay, Juliet, you can make your own line.
Yang baris mana, Miss?
No, you can make your own line. Ini aja deh, you can say this one before you kill yourself.
Okay. My bounty is a boundless as the sea. My love as deep. The more I give to thee, the more I have, for both are infinite. Infinite or infinite? Infinite.
And then you kill your own life. You took your own life.
Minum itu ya, Miss?
Ya,
Racun.
minum racun beneran.
Oh,
Never was a story of more woe than this of Juliet and her Romeo. Mati semua. Mati semua, yay. So
Please stop.
yes, that is a story of a Juliet. If they say the story of a Juliet and a Romeo is a symbol of first love, that's actually stupid love. They met malamnya, they marry in the morning, Juliet take the poison. Sebenarnya plot twistnya, kenapa sih fraternya bisa ngasih ide like, pura-pura mati aja. You die. I mean, you pretend to be dead. Nanti I told Romeo, kalau kamu tuh cuma pura-pura. Terus Romeo nanti, tuh scenario like, nanti kamu diambil sama Romeo, kalian pergi dah tuh ke Indonesia, right? Nanti kalian bisa happily ever after. Romeo salah informasi. He came like, oh my Juliet is dead. Ya udah, kalau if you die, I die. Mati. Juliet wake up. Loh, tadi ceritanya not like this. He's supposed to be alive and take me to Indonesia. Alah, salah kaprah. Akhirnya, everyone died. Tybalt mati. Tio mati. Juliet mati, Romeo mati, yang hidup Prince doang. Ya, Miss Dita, you can go and find the Prince. He's like very wealthy, you know. He's like very rich. Okay, so you guys never watch it? The story, the movie, you never watched the movie?
No, because
No.
I watched the Titanic to love story in the TV.
No, Romeo and Juliet is first before Titanic. And Romeo and Juliet's story is actually more interesting than the Titanic because it's a feud between two families kan. Kayak dulu-dulu tuh gitu dipaksa, nggak bisa, like that. Terus kayak yang plot twistnya tuh like, kok bisa dia pura-pura mati, mati semua, something like that. So it was Leonardo DiCaprio and who's that girl? I forgot. Yeah, but it's Leonardo DiCaprio yang masih the young one and he was handsome and like, oh wow. But not the Tio. Tio dibayar 50.000 doang. Baru mulai udah mati. Nah, like that. Kayak like he died very fast. And warnya itu like in the field kayak yang, okay, you fight me. Langsung tembak. Nggak kena gitu. You know what? Yeah, he died in a stupid way. I was like, okay, no, nggak kena. No, nggak kena. Sampai kena beneran mati. Like, ini apa sih? But it was, I think I watched it like long time ago. So thank you for playing our Romeo and Juliet for the Valentine's Day tomorrow. I hope you're happy, but I hope you are not get an example of that love story that's kind of like a story, but it was fun to learn because we know that dulu-dulunya like long time ago in the past this story exists. I think until now too, like if you are two enemies, like family enemies, yeah, that's what's gonna happen. All right, so that's it for tonight. I hope you guys learned something from Romeo and Juliet, especially the words. We have a lot of new words like feud, and then enambushed, or yeah, we have a lot of new words that we got in the story. And as usual, the William Shakespeare always have the phrases that sound cheesy, but it was what they used in the past. Thank you, Devita. Thank you, Nia. And thank you, Hasti, for playing with us tonight.
Thank
Yep,
you,
see you
guys.
again.
See you next week.
Thank you,
And then we're
Vivi.
going to go with another topic. Thank you for tonight, guys.
Bye. Have a good
Thank you,
night.
Miss.
And good night.
Thank you, Miss.
Go watch the movie if you have time, or read the novel. It's a novel.
Okay,
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 Miss.
Miss.
I will watch the movie.
Pabam, pabam.
Dah,
Emang ini malam apa?
malam Jumat.
Bukan, yang tadi dibilang.
Nifsu Syakban.
Oh,
Kayak itu tuh 2 minggu sebelum Ramadan.
atau kalau aku tahu kemarin kita pindahin yang role play.
Iya makanya aku juga baru baru nyadar kan aku kan tidak tahu. Parah banget.
Oh, oh pasti baru baca ya di grup ya.
Sebenarnya kan kalau misalkan Nifsu Syakban itu kayak ibadah sehari yang full gitu loh. Jadi abis sholat tuh ada bacaan-bacaan khususnya kayak gitu.
Hmm.
Sampai nanti tengah malam mereka pada sholat tahajud gitu sebenarnya.
Mandiku dah kalau itu ibadah.
Kalau saya kan
Jadi di Facebook mama aku ada yang nanya kan tentang
hmm,
kelas. Dia itu pakai Superman 6,
terus
tapi orang Manado, cewek.
masukin aja kelas Clio.
Hah?
Masukin kelas Clio.
Kelas 6 pakai Superman 6.
Oh, emang belajar dari Maker.
Enggak, ini enggak tahu dari Facebook mamaku.
Dia pakai Superminds.
Sekolahnya pakai Superman di
Hmm.
Manado.
Oke, oke. Terus
Namanya sekolah Katolik, guys. Oh, sekolah Katolik Manado mah levelnya.
bagus ya.
Terus aku tawarin kan, maksudnya soalnya dia banyak nanya gitu kan. Aku tuh nggak suka, kayaknya dia temen mamaku di sekolah atau gimana gitu, yang orang tua murid gitu.
Ya.
Terus kayak yang pengen tahu gitu cara ngajar, aku malas gitu. Aku tuh pengen orang tahu tuh kalau ya mamaku punya anak yang bertalenta lah di Jakarta. Jadi aku tawarin aja, ya udah masuk aja di kelas trialnya Taji.
Hmm.
Tawarin di situ kan, karena Taji kan SMP.
Terus
Terus dia bilang, iya soalnya anak saya udah bisa bahasa Inggris. Terus aku yang kayak tertantang dong, ya udah masuk aja di kelasku gitu kan.
mm-mm. Nggak taunya nggak bisa apa-apa.
Aku aku tanya ke Taji kan, Taji, nanti gini 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 gini. Ternyata beneran dong dia. Ebenezer, itu bilang sekolah Katolik.
Oh, berarti bagus.
Tanya kan, bahasa Inggrisnya lancar banget malah Taji yang haho haho.
Terus
Terus bilang kan, namanya tuh Kalistia, Kalis, panggilnya Kalis. Terus aku bilang, Kalis ini tuh kelasnya Taji, tapi Taji itu kalau emang berbahasa Inggris tuh dia suka manja. Jadi dia kalau bahasa Inggris tuh nggak bisa, nggak bisa gitu kan. Terus Taji suka miss, tuh dia diam, 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 diam. Terus aku bilang gitu kan. Saya aku harus kasih tahu dulu nih, karena Taji nggak berbahasa Inggris 100%.
tadi Taji online.
Taji kan memang online sekarang.
Oh, online juga dia. Terus
Emang udah online, dia udah nggak pernah offline.
oh, terus
Karena sibuk. Terus aku kasih yang tadi tuh role play. Aku punya kan yang dari Bianca tuh, cari tuh
mm,
filenya Bianca. Oke, disuruh dah tuh ngobrol. Pokoknya aku kasih challenge challenge gitulah. Tajinya jadi lancar. Astaga, dia terpaksa menjadi lancar karena dia malu
malu
cewek.
sama
Oh,
cewek.
tuh aku tanya, Taji, are you okay kalau misalnya ini di sini? Ya, Miss, gak apa-apa. Kok tumben? Dia malah lanjut, Miss apa bahasa Inggrisnya? Jadi dia merasa tertantang gitu kan. Karena ini
Hmm.
masih kelas 6 SD, terus dia udah SMP kelas 2.
Mm-mm.
Taji eh berapa itu berapa? 14 tahun, Kalis 12. Masa Kalis lebih lancar? Aku tanya dong. Kalis, ya kamu setiap hari berbahasa Inggris ya? Oh, di sekolah, Miss. Sama-sama teman. Kalau di sekolah sih nggak semua guru pakai bahasa Inggris gitu ya.
Hmm.
Tapi kalau sama temanku aku pakai bahasa Inggris. Terus aku tanya kan, oh kamu main di mana? Kantor gubernur, anjir, temennya itu mamanya berarti kerja di gubernur apa nggak tahu
Anjay,
deh.
anjay, anjay.
Mereka pulang sekolah tuh hangoutnya di kantor gubernur Sulut aja, gila coy. Sama aja bahasa Inggrisnya lancar. Tapi makanya tadi aku nggak boleh kelihatan biasa aja gitu.
Hmm.
Aku harus terlihat luar biasa karena mamanya kelihatan kayak.
Terus
Akhirnya aku bilang kan, aku udah WhatsApp, aku udah kirim inbox, laporan trialnya Kalis nanti setelah kelas malamnya Missnya, soalnya Missnya abis ini ada kelas lagi. Oke, Miss.
jadi
Udah
baru
try.
baru baru mau kirim
Dia
report.
minta matematika, English,
Mantap.
tapi punya matematikanya itu pakai pengantar bahasa Inggris.
Ya kan Inggrisnya sebenarnya bisa, tapi dia nggak full kata dia gitu, nggak full English. Paham mah paham. Kan dia juga
Iya.
apa apa ada buku yang memang pakainya instructionnya bahasa Inggris gitu kan.
Ya, saya ini Inggris mah. Nanti aku
Mm-mm.
tanya lagi mamanya ya.
Ya pokoknya di trial aja dulu lah.
Udah.
Maksudnya yang math, yang sama Gristi.
Oh, yang math. Mau kapan?
Kalau dia bisa malam setelah kelasnya Puasa
Clio.
besok Clio, heeh.
Hari Selasa ya?
Hari Selasa, kan Clio kan selesainya kalau di waktu kita jam 6:30 ya?
Ya, 5:30 sampai 7:30
Heeh.
kalau setengah
Iya.
8.
Kan cuma sejam.
Kan 5:30 mulainya.
6:30 kelar 6:30 dong.
Bro, 5:30 bukan 5:30 Manado.
6:30 kita kan?
Enggak, maksudnya 5:30, 5:30-nya si
Oh, si
kita kan
Kalistanya.
7:30 Manado.
Oh iya, deng, sekalistanya berarti jam 7:30-nya dia.
Iya, soalnya kan dia kan sama kayak Clio kan.
Iya, 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 bener. Lupa. Ya, berarti 7:30-nya dia. Di kita 6:30.
Oke, baiklah, akan aku kasih pilihan buat mamanya untuk trial matematika. Sekarang udah
Heeh.
bentar ya, 1 jam lebih malah.
Heeh.
Story itu karena jadi 1 jam lebih trialnya. Si Taji emang 1 jam lebih
Mm-mm.
kadang-kadang gitu kan. Oke, baiklah, aku mau makan dulu, lapar.
Aku juga udah capek, pegel.
Lapar
Oh,
aku mah. Tadi
guys.
aku udah mandi dan udah beberes, terus udah berantakan lagi gara-gara Hazel dan Gimbi.
Aku
Astaga.
hari Jumat nambah 1, tapi malam itu sih balik lagi ponakan Aing. Lihat aja ntar dia bolong-bolong apa kagak, bodoh
Yang
amat.
mana?
Mbak Ati.
Yang Mbak.
Dia tuh nggak mau dilepas dan tidak mau mengganti. Aku bilang kan, Mbak, mau nggak kalau ganti teacher? Aku bilang gitu kan. Aku kan
Bilang,
jatuhnya,
bilang aja gini, aduh Mbak, soalnya banyak kelas aku mulai full, jadi harus komit. Gitu
ya,
dong.
aku bilang, Mbak, sekarang tuh aku jadwalnya ini. Aku kirim kan jadwalku kan. Yang kosong itu kan jadwalnya dia pulangnya sore. Jadi jadwalnya dia tuh cuma dapat Senin kalau nggak Jumat, ya kan. Terus aku bilang, Mbak, kalau udah
Loh,
ngetek
Senin bukannya udara raja?
kan malam.
Oh, oke. Oh, dia malam.
Ya, terus kata dia, tapi kalau Senin Ade udah IF, Pit, dia bilang gitu kan. Kalau udah IF kan, nanti dia mikirnya, oh sama-sama Inggris, udah males gitu.
Iya, benar.
Ya udah kalau gitu Jumat, tapi komit ya, aku bilang gitu kan. Aku nggak bisa kalau cuma kalau bolong-bolong, aku gituin aja kan. Masalahnya kalau bolong-bolong, mendingan aku ngambil yang lain dalam hati gue sebenarnya gitu kan.
Iya, benar-benar.
Terus kayak dia, iya, iya nanti kamu ini aja hubungin mbaknya. Iya, dia kan emang menyerahkan semuanya ke mbak. Jadi dia tuh taunya sistemnya cuma udah gue dapat laporan anak gue bayar berapa gitu.
Hmm.
Emang dasarnya orang ya berduit sih, jadi jatuhnya ya begitu. Cuman ya lu tau lah, duit sih banyak, tapi kalau masalah transfer lamanya, buset,
Kamu harus
pusing.
bilang, kamu harus menggunakan Mbak, ini invoice-nya ya, tapi ini udah sama temenku, ini kan kita punya
Oh
berdua.
iya, gitu aja ya. Gue pakai pakai
Kamu pakai
yang politik.
jangan pakai invoice kamu. Kamu pinjem invoice kita biar dia ngeliat, oh
Terus rekeningnya pindah ke kamu dulu aja gitu kali ya. Jadi
iya, nanti kalau dia udah
aja
transfer,
gitu.
kamu bilang aku transfer balik. Yang penting kan dia ngeliat, oh iya sekarang
Jadi
udah
dia
pakai
punya
nama.
responsibility, guys.
Yoi, yoi. Karena dia kan pasti nggak enak dong kalau misalnya
Oke, oke, paham,
kalau
paham.
Miss Ivy tahu dia belum bayar.
Iya, 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 iya.
Kan ada catatan
Iya,
keuangan.
benar, benar, benar.
Tolonglah,
Oh iya,
please.
benar-benar. Soalnya kadang-kadang kan dia begitu kan. Maksudnya kalau sama saudara kan kadang-kadang orang ngegampangin kan. Ah, udahlah mau ontinya ini ntar aja bayarnya.
Ya bilang lo sekarang ontinya sudah punya tempat sendiri dan berdua, bukan punya sendiri aja. Gitu
Makanya.
dong.
Ya udah, begitu.
Oke, kalau gitu. Yuk, makan. Bye.
Yo, udah capek.
Semoga dapat-dapat dah.
Apanya?
Itu muridnya. Padahal cuma dari Facebook doang.
Iya.
Hahaha.
Yang ini mau diiklanin dulu apa besok?
Hari Sabtu aja. Apa Jumat?
Yang rame ya.
Weekend.
Yang rame
Orang
weekend ya.
pada di rumah main HP kan nggak kerja.
Kita itu ya jangkauannya berarti jangan di sini, jangan Cibubur, tapi masuknya apa? Mau Jakarta atau mau daerah? Kayaknya lebih gampang daerah nggak sih?
Nggak
Orang
tahu kalau di Facebook nggak ada begituan, cuma umur
Oh, kalau di IG
Indonesia.
ada. Kalau di IG tuh kayak locationnya mau di mana gitu.
Nah, kalau di FB itu cuma ditanya umur berapa, dua
Mm-mm.
satu ke atas. Aku bilang 21 ke atas
Coba
lah.
kalau bisa masuk ke location tuh aku lebih suka kayaknya di daerah yang emang kelihatannya banyak duit. Contohnya ya Kalimantan
Iya
gitu.
benar.
Karena kan orang-orang di daerah itu malah
Online.
mereka susah dapat akses kan.
Iya.
Kalau orang Jakarta kan kayak, gue punya banyak pilihan, ntar aja
Iya
lah.
benar. Coba aja dulu, coba. Coba kamu set locationnya.
Heeh, heeh, ntar coba ganti-ganti lokasi.
Oke, bye.
Soalnya online kan, jadi kita bisa jangkau seluruh daerah.
Online.
Dah, bye.
Oh, capek malah lapar.
Sekarang kamu layoutnya udah full. Tapi,
Iya kan?
tapi
Kan?
aku nggak bisa pakai itu nih ya. Aku masih menggunakan Ghibli karena aku nyoba jadinya kan mirror kan. Bentar, mana dia
Kan
tuh?
matiin mirror.
Tunggu nih. Iya, sebenarnya bisa matiin mirror, tapi muka gue jadi peyang, anjay. Kan aku kan gak
Ini
simetris
aku udah
mukanya.
peyang nih. Nih.
Nih, kan begini kan. Ini kan kalau kebalik, mirror tuh. Maksudnya angle gue masih angle sini nih yang gue tonjolin. Kalau angle ini kan gepeng.
Hmm.
Kita coba mirror ya. Muka aku miring.
Mana? Nggak ada perubahan.
Hah? Oh, nggak ada perubahan? Oh, belum ya? Apa belum aku save ya? Wait.
Tahu. Orang itu nggak ada yang mirror.
Ah, tadi mirror. Yang pertama mirror.
Masa? Ini aku ini mirror nggak menurut kamu?
Enggak. Itu udah benar.
Ya kan? Coba ya kalau aku bikin mirror punyaku ya.
Nih, kalau aku bikin mirror tuh jadi begini backgroundnya tuh. Tuh.
Mana? Nggak ada perubahan.
Enggak, tapi tulisannya kebalik kan?
Nggak ada. Aku melihatnya nggak.
Tulisan conversationnya nggak kebalik.
Enggak.
Hah? Di aku
Bentar ya,
kebalik.
aku coba di aku ya. Kan
Coba.
jadi penasaran, aku pengen nyoba juga dari tadi aku
Coba,
mirror.
coba.
Coba, aku coba ya.
Kalau
Aku
nggak masalah sih ya udah aku pakai. Soalnya kan tadi
Iya, aku juga. Nih,
aku
aku kebalik nih.
oh enggak, di aku normal.
Anjir, geblek, tak aku kirim ke kamu ya. Dari tadi kayak
Sama, aku juga tadi kayak aduh muka gue peyang kalau begini gak suka.
Aduh, sialan. Aku kan bukan begini angle-nya. Oke, bentar.
Nah, aku juga mikirin angle sialun.
Tahu gitu dari kita, capek banget.
Ternyata nggak ngefek di orang.
Ternyata, coba kamu lihat. Enggak kan?
Ih normal.
Ih, goblok sumpah.
Padahal di kamu mirror sama kayak aku.
Iya, dia aku mirror.
Di aku mirror tapi di orang ternyata normal.
Ih, ini nggak jelas sumpah.
Ya udah bagus lah kalau gitu. Tapi tadi tuh pengen make kan buat yang kelasnya Clio. Tapi kok tulisannya conversation.
Takut. Takut gak sih?
Apa?
Aku juga tadi pengen, tapi aku takut kebalik.
Iya, tadinya aku juga gitu. Terus udah gitu aku pikir-pikir mau pakai kelas Clio, tapi kok ini conversation batch 1 ya? Gak bisa.
Ada yang kosongnya.
Emang iya ya, aku nemunya
Di
ini
sini
doang
tuh
lagi.
ternyata ada kosongnya. Mana ya?
Kamu ngirim lagi coba ke filenya kalau udah ada di
Nggak tahu di
PSID data
mana.
aja biar nggak tenggelam coy.
Nih, di aku tuh ada yang kosong tuh.
Ya udah kirim di data.
Jadi kalau bukan conversation jadi begini tuh.
Nah, iya kan kayak gitu kan bagus kan kosong.
Kan aku lihat punya Meike. Kok dia ada background kuanta, kita mah Caterpillar kadang-kadang. Kadang-kadang jembatan. Terus kayak yang nggak bisa, aku mau pakai apa? Cuman ini belum ada yang TikToknya, nanti aku edit dulu.
Iya nanti diedit dulu. Yang penting udah ada yang
Aku cuma
polos,
lagi TikTok doang di sini, sama
ada yang
Playstick
polos,
udah
ada yang
selesai.
biasa.
Nah, yang penting kan kita ada pilihan background.
Yoi, soalnya kan kamar Aing aja udah green screen ya, jadi gampang tuh. Udah green
Nah,
screen guys, gue bisa cosplay.
aku rekam nanti jadinya di aku
Tapi sebenarnya lucu tahu kalau misalkan kita cosplay beneran, maksudnya kayak ya udah tiba-tiba aja gue jadi backgroundnya mau di mana gitu.
minggu depan mau bikin role play lagi aku
Bagus sih tadi roleplay,
nanti role playnya itu jadi turis.
tapi terlalu panjang tadi penjelasannya agak dipendekin nanti. Soalnya itu mereka jadi bingung bertanya-tanya nih sebenarnya mau ngapain habis ini ya. Kelamaan.
Yang role play pendek apa yang Romeo and Juliet?
Ini aja kan belum pernah tuh practice yang conversational dialog. Kita belum pernah tuh. Berarti yang dialog
Hmm.
aja.
Ya aku mau bikin gini kan. Jadi kita jadi turis lokal. Kita jadi turis di satu tempat.
Hmm.
Nanti ada penjual yang menawarkan gitu kayak yang misalnya di
Oh
Bali.
ya.
Beli gelang aku dong gitu-gitu dalam bahasa Inggris. Aduh sorry
Hmm.
Pak, aku nggak bisa Mbak, aku nggak punya uang gitu. Nanti kita cosplay kayak gitu.
Oke.
Role play kayak gitu.
Ya bisa.
Ya aku lihat dulu deh materi aku. Soalnya ini udah 3 yang berganti kan.
Apanya? Oh, yang buat minggu depan.
Minggu ini kan nggak ada di. Aku bikin silabus kan.
Iya. Heeh.
Terganti gitu ya udah.
Oke.
Mari kita makan guys dan mari kita istirahat.
Baiklah.
Besok aku nggak ada kelas tahu.
Kok bisa?
Wawa ada ulang tahun jam 3. Ih, Viranisa kayaknya nggak tahu deh.
Oh, ada Wawa ulang tahun. Mamanya
Ya,
belum
ada acara ulang
ngabarin
tahun
sih.
temennya.
Coba lihat besok ya.
Misalnya jam 3 katanya. Jadi digeser aku di hari Sabtu.
Kalau
Pagi.
jam 3 mah pas banget jamnya dia les sama aku.
Selesai ulang tahunnya jam 3.
Kita lihat besok. Biasanya mamanya tuh kalau nggak masuk ngabarinnya hari H.
Oh, sama. Aku langsung dipindah di hari Sabtu mintanya. Ya udah oke baik. Semoga aku belum high.
Di hari Sabtu si Emir minta 2 jam. Udah yain aja dulu. Lihat
Ya,
lihat nantilah sanggup apa
yain aja
kagaknya.
dulu dia mah.
Mm-mm.
Terus besok kan Valentine.
Mm-mm.
Lu nggak kemana-mana gitu.
Ya kalau ada Viranisa gue nggak bisa lah.
Ya siang lah kita ngedate.
Anjay nggak mau, capek. Soalnya sampai malam aku. Nanti ada si itu.
Iya.
Ponakan. Udah mulai.
Aku kan nggak ada.
4 anjir. Kalau ada Viranisa Zizi kan 3. Sama itu 4.
Wah sih.
Aduh capek.
Ya
Aduh.
baiklah.
Gila si
Dah.
Deo sekarang ganteng banget.
Sumpah.
Bukan ganteng banget gimana ya? Dia kan Jawa ya. Jadi tuh gantengnya ganteng manis gitu.
Manis-manis. Mas-mas Jawa ya.
Mas-mas Jawa gitu manis. Terus kan dulunya juga dia kayak Yulia gitu kan orangnya kalau belajar tuh ya udah capek, udah males di pojokan diem gitu. Terus sekarang udah bagus dong. Bener-bener improve dia bilang. Kata dia, Miss, aku tuh Miss, baru belajar kata dia gitu. Titik rendahnya itu anjir titik rendah kata dia. Pokoknya titik rendahnya itu di tahun 2021 abis COVID dia bilang gitu kan. Karena kan abis pelajaran online dia nggak dapet apa-apa dia bilang gitu. Aku
Tuh
tuh nggak
mamanya minta kelas di aku dari tahun 2021 apa 2022
kayaknya itu
tapi
pokoknya
nggak
dia udah
nemu jamnya, nggak nemu. Aku nggak bisa
Hmm.
kalau malam. Mama,
Hmm.
mohon maaf, dia nggak punya motor. Oh, terus
Pokoknya
itu
pas
kan
online lah dia bilang aku online tuh nggak dapet apa-apa jadi aku belajar sendiri otodidak. Oh gitu.
ini
Bagus.
mamanya udah minta aku dari dulu, dari aku lihat ada historinya tuh tahun 2021 ke 2022, tapi
Mm-mm.
bermasalah di akunnya tidak
Anjir,
bisa bawa
aku
motor.
sauna kemarin. Enggak, kayaknya besok aku harus request deh. Kan kemarin ceritanya kan karena hari pertama kan. Jadi ya udah, aku muter-muter tuh di gang karena nggak nemu rumahnya, nggak ada nomor rumahnya. Nah, terus akhirnya kita papasan di jalan. Terus Hideo nelpon kan, Miss, 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 ini rumahnya udah kelewatan. Dia bilang gitu. Dia ketemu aku di jalan lagi bingung gitu kan. Oh iya, ya udah akhirnya nyampe. Terus mamanya bilang, Miss, maaf ya rumahnya berantakan, ada kucing banyak. Iya, mama nggak apa-apa, Mamis juga banyak kucing gitu kan. Terus, Miss, ini di ruang tamu aja ya. Oke, aku bilang ini di ruang tamu ternyata kagak ada kipas, nggak ada AC. Gue sauna 3 jam apa 4 jam.
Oh iya, kan 1,5 jam, 3
Capek
jam
banget.
lebih dong.
Ya makanya aku langsung kayak kayak
3 jam
kayak
lebih sama pertukaran kan.
kayak ikan nggak dapat napas tuh nggak lo? Nah makanya aku pengen minta kipas nggak enak.
Hey,
Kan.
kan kamu habis beli kipas.
Oh iya, belum bayar lagi.
Tahu. Emang iya ya?
Lah kan itu kan masuk ke CC.
Anjir, bayaran gue tanggal 19 ini dong. Nggak tahu, udah aku lapor ke Dev 2,7.
Maksudnya, terus gue di rumahnya dia pakai kipas gitu. Nanti mereka langsung kayak, Miss, Miss, bentar ya, Miss, aku ambilin blower.
Ambil oke Deo soal.
Bener-bener ya Allah, bener-bener kayak, aduh, mau minta tapi nggak enak kan. Mamanya kan sama papanya udah pulang, jadi pada di kamar kan. Aduh, nggak enak lah gitu. Ya udah, gitu aja. Anjir masih recording. Ya udah,
Astaga, belum dimatiin, udah segala gue gosip.
berarti ntar
Udah,
sekalian ke posting nih.
udah.
Dah, dadah.
Bye.